welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We're doing making a fufu today with plantain and oats. The orange plantain, the green one. That can also serve as pounded yam. So if you do not want to eat pounded yam, maybe you want to try this one. Just try it. It's not that too heavy. I tried it before. It's not too heavy. Yeah, and it's healthy too. So that's very good thing about it. I'll just keep peeling them. So this is the last one though. I only have this one. Yeah. This one. You add your sugar, not too much. It's better if you keep adding. Cover it to done for some time in low heat, at least 2 minutes. So you can see we have some seed inside, but don't give up, just keep turning. Everything will be smooth. The stove is in low right now. Put it on low. Just keep turning front and back. It takes time though, and then it's kind of heavy. Just if you want to try it, so you know. You see the downside there. That one is already brown. You see the seed is out now. If you want to add water, if you don't want yours to be thick, you can add water at this time. You still have a little bit of water inside. Yeah, you see the downside of it. That's what we were trying to achieve. This for the properly. As we keep turning, it can't be done immediately. We just give time. They actually look good on me. It tastes better. Not still ready yet, but I think I will still have to leave it for like 5 minutes, cover and cook with the steam before I continue. Let it cook everywhere. yeah. This is the final one. This really cooked, and I like the taste too. Not just like the way they feel the healthy benefit part of it, but I like the taste too. And then I would prefer, if you want to try it, for you to use no sticky pan or no sticky pot, because if you use just ordinary regular pot, you will still get the same thing you want to do, but the under will be very burnt. Take that bun, it will be smelling inside. It will be better if you use no sticky pan. Yes, this is the end of it. Thank you for cooking with us. You see, not too soft, and it tastes very good. You can use it to eat any kind of soup. Very well done, very well, and the taste is good too. You can use vegetable soup if you don't want to eat egusi because of the oil. It's really good. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. This is the end of this video. Plantain and oat fufu. If you want to know how to cook egusi too, I have egusi soup already. So that's why I didn't show you how I cook this egusi and bitter leaf. See you soon next week. Thank you. Bye.